This is the plate laser cutting machine. This is the tube laser cutting machine. Now, it's a 2-in-1 laser cutting machine. This machine has two functions. It can reduce costs and increase efficiency. It also can process both plates and pipes. It can save space. Continuous processing. No need to switch machines frequently. It has smart software and wide adaptability. It can improve product qualification rate.
And the night is rising, the lights are shining, but now it's gonna be bright, oh, brighter than the moon.
If you need more information, please contact us.
Follow TSP.